Alright, go follow the kids. Hey.
Alright. Okay. I look kind. Do I look weird with this on my head?
No. But you look weird without it on, though.
The swag. Oh God. Alright, here. Alright, go. Do it. Do it. Dude, Uncle John wanted me to put this on and record underwater.
I mean, face up.
Yeah, it's recording. I know. Come on, let's go. Let's have to go. I feel weird wearing this though. Like a whole bunch of people are staring at me.
Look up more though.
The swag.
Look up, Ethan.
I know. I'm going. Kai, why did you jump in here with us, buddy? Kai, you gotta go back in the kiddie pool with them.
Mom!
No, tell him, stop, it's okay.
No, but Mom said it. I don't want to tell her. Kai, go to Mom. You ready? Go up and go to Mom.
Tell him, get off my back. I'm trying to put it. Kai, go back with Drew and Paige. Huh? Hold on.
I know, right?
I'm sorry, I'm trying my best, but.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Don't cover the camera with your hand.
Ready, set, go.
Pretty good so far, guys. Let's just explore more. I feel weird with this camera on my head. Anyone else want to wear it?
Ethan, go down the water slide with the camera on. Dylan, go down the water slide with the camera on. I'm wearing a GoPro.
Billy, let's go down the slide.
Dylan, go down the slide with the water.
You on it?
I'm gonna do it here.
Dylan, let's go. Oh, here, let's. Alright, fine. Just, yeah.
We're gonna ride down the slide. Look, I'm wearing the GoPro.
Let's just go.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty scary.
Going down the slide, guys.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Dylan, go first.
Oh, Dylan, you're going
I'm
first.
wearing it. Second. I mean, third.
Dude, it's so scary. Like, you go like super fast.
This is the GoPro. We're going on the GoPro water slide.
This is the GoPro, about $100.
Yeah, I better not drop this.
You'll be fine.
Uncle John will be mad.
Just hold it on your head when you're going. You'll be all good. You'll be goofy.
Let him go first.
Alright, Dylan going first.
I'll go second. No, Eva's going second. There's Ethan. I know, it's so slow. It looks so fast to other people. Hi, Nikki. Nikki, shoots me in your face. No, he was like,
You all want to do it again or something?
yes, I'm going to go faster.
Alright,
No,
yeah.
no.
I'm going to jump down in the time because I went slow.
I'm going last this time.
That one girl that went in it.
I'm going last this time. I'm going last. GoPro. Yeah.
Oh, not last.
I call second.
I'm going last.
Did you go face first or face
No, going second. I was last.
You're not allowed to go face
Hey, let's go backwards up here.
It looks like they go so
fast.
Dude, use the science to push yourself.
Oh, go face first. Why not?
Lay down, Ethan. Just go faster.
I'm going backwards. I can.
Here you go, Tom.
Kill him, Talon. Kill him.
Bye. Lay down!
How much is
Oh!
Hey, we're going so slow. This is her. Kill him. Woo!
See, let me see the camera.
You did backwards so much
Dude,
funner.
that's pretty nice view. All right, we're good.
Okay, let's go. We're going again? I don't know. Are we? Dylan, are we going again?
Who wants to wear the GoPro
Let's-
next after
Me.
me?
I want to wear the.
After me.
All right, Talon, you have to hold it. Make sure it's on your head the whole time.
Okay, I don't want to do it.
After Nikki.
Slide and then-
One last slide.
Which way are we going?
One last slide and then we switch. I know.
This thing hurts my feet so
I
bad.
know. This hurts.
Ow!
Like, it hurts when I like bend my foot forward.
Oh yeah, it does. Ha.
Dude,
It broke?
it didn't break.
Oh.
Don't do that.
It just said, bro. Right here.
Let me do it now. Watch me.
Dude, this thing fits my head like
I know it's good.
it's a camera.
Random kids. We need a camera.
Cause
Guys, we're recording stuff.
YouTube.
We're YouTubers. I know. He's flicking us off, bro.
Dude, you just said that on the camera. Look how good. Bad boy.
He was, though.
What?
He was pointing that.
Go backwards. I'm gonna go backwards and lay my head back. Dylan.
I'll go backwards, why not? Why not, mate? Why not go backwards?
It fell off.
I got it.
No, I haven't got my free slide yet. I tried to hold on to it, it started slipping off.
You were like, right now, and you were like, no. And then you took it.
The whole video is gonna be us changing people.
Yeah, let's go. Here. Hey, guys. Let's go somewhere else. Slide is getting boring.
And let's go to the waterfall.
Oh,
That would make a big.
oh my god. It's so deep. It's so deep.
I can barely stand up in here.
Hello. Okay, Dilly, I want to say, welcome, this is vlog number 1. Vlog number 1.
This is going on TV. Hey, look at that spider jet.
Alright, everyone, this is going on TV. YouTubers out there, welcome. We're now swimming in the pool at the 4-star hotel.
This is vlog number 1. We are at the pool, at the hotel, at the
We're in the hood.
San Antonio, at Sepultura.
This is going on TV.
The hero.
Showing how awesome this hotel is.
We work for a company. It's named MTV.
Mayday! Singing! Wait, no, I'm growing. Alright, so we got pro.
Everybody, go underwater.
It's going on TV.
The thing falls off. Nah.
I wanna wear it. I wanna wear it.
there something over there?
Stop kicking me, Tower. Ah, I get stepping on that thing.
Ow, my nail. Look. What is ow, my nail? Ow, my nail. Oh, yeah.
Is that Ava's Band-Aid?
That's not mine.
Ava, don't
Oh,
touch it.
Talon, you are gross. Get away from him.
Band-Aid touch. Run away from Talon. Oh god. Ah, move, run away. Wait, what?